Assalamualaikum and good morning. Hi everyone. I hope you are in good health. Okay, today I'm going to explain about your project requirements. So this project is under the course of data structure and analysis algorithm. So the project that you are going to develop is electricity billing system. So there are some requirements that you need to fulfill. Okay, so we go one by one. So the first one is about information. So what kind of information that you need to store? Okay, that you need to store into file. Okay, the first one is tarikh bill. Okay, tarikh bill or bill date, and then number account or account number, and then number invoice or invoice number, and then nama pengguna or customer name, and then alamat pengguna or customer address, and then tunggakan or outstanding. Okay, and then nombor meter, bacaan meter dahulu, and then bacaan meter sekarang, and also the rest of three, that is jumlah unit kegunaan, charge semasa, and jumlah bayaran bil. Okay, for this tarikh bil until bacaan meter sekarang, okay, this information you need to key in or to enter manually. Okay, but for the jumlah unit kegunaan, charge semasa, and jumlah bayaran bil, you cannot enter manually. Because of what? Because this value, okay, will be obtained or will be calculated automatically by the system based on the data from bacaan meter dahulu and bacaan meter sekarang. So now look at the bill here. Okay, about the information that you need to enter. So the first one is tarikh bill, and then nombor account or account pengguna, and then nombor invoice. So this one 6029 and blah blah blah, and then nama pengguna, and then alamat pengguna. Okay, then what else? Tunggakan. So tunggakan, it means that when you have a certain amount that you haven't paid, okay, in the previous months, so this is tunggakan. Okay, and then nombor meter. So nombor meter, so this is nombor meter, and then bacaan meter dahulu, and then bacaan meter semasa or bacaan meter sekarang. Semasa or sekarang, they are the same thing. Okay, they are the same thing. Okay, and then jumlah unit kegunaan, charge semasa, and jumlah bayaran bil, it will be calculated based on a specific formula. Okay, now we go to the part of formula of calculations. Okay, the first one is jumlah unit kegunaan. In order to get jumlah unit kegunaan, what do you need to do is you need to deduct between bacaan meter sekarang and bacaan meter dahulu. It means that bacaan meter sekarang deduct bacaan meter dahulu. So you will get jumlah unit kegunaan. Okay, for example here. Okay, bacaan meter semasa atau sekarang 47666 minus with bacaan meter dahulu 47131. So you will get 535. So this is a jumlah unit kegunaan. Okay, jumlah unit kegunaan. Okay, then charge semasa. Say, if you want to know the specific rate, you need to go to this website. Okay, for example, I've already clicked this website. Then, okay, here we go. So this is what the rates. Okay, for what? for calculating, okay, charge semasa or current charge. So now it has how many layers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. Depend on the jumlah kegunaan that you have. Now I have 535. So now we go one by one. The first layer, okay, represent 200 units, and then the second layer is 100. It means that 200 plus 100 will be 300, and then the third layer is 300 units. Okay, 300 units. Okay, so it means that what 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 will be 6. Okay, 600 units until the third layer. For example, if you have 1000 units, okay, 1000 unit or 1000 for jumlah kegunaan, you will involve how many layers? All layers. First layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, and fifth layers. Okay, so how you want to get this one? 1 to 200. It means that 200 minus 1, there is 199 plus 1 will be 200. And for example, this one for the second layer, 300 minus 201 will be it will be 99 plus 1 will be 100. Okay, so now if you want to calculate, okay, charge semasa based on my unit kegunaan, my jumlah unit kegunaan, where is it? Okay, where is it? This one, jumlah kegunaan, jumlah unit kegunaan. So 535, it means that it will involve how many layers? How many layers? Okay, 535. The first 200, and then 100. It means that it will be 300, and then so my jumlah kegunaan is until these 3 layers. Okay, these 3 layers. So it means that the first layer 200 times 0.218. So it means that 200 times 0.218 will be 43 ringgit and 60 cents. Okay, and then another layer, second layer, 100 times 0.334. 100 times 0.334, it will be 33.40. Okay, and then the balance is what? 200 plus 100, it will be 300. So 535 minus 300, it will be 235 units. Okay, so you time with 0.516. Okay, 0.516, it means that where is it? Means that 121 ringgit and 26 cents. So the total is what? The total is 198 ringgit and 26 cents. Okay, so this is the current charge, okay, or charge semasa that I need to pay. Okay, so so this charge semasa. Then the last one is about jumlah bayaran bill. Okay, jumlah bayaran bill, so you will get from tunggakan plus charge semasa. Tunggakan means that there's a certain amount that you haven't paid, okay, in the previous months. Okay, for example here, in this case, okay, so I have a tunggakan here. Okay, it means that certain amount that I haven't paid in the previous months. So the amount is 154 ringgit and 20 cents plus with charge semasa, that is 201. Why it will be 201 instead of 198? 198. So the reason is the customer will be charged by this calculation or this tax KT KNTBB, if I'm not mistaken. So how many percent? 1.6% times 198.26. So it will be 3 ringgit and 70 cents. Okay, so you will get total between 198 plus with 3.17. So that's why it will be 201 ringgit point 43 cent. But in your case, you don't have to calculate for this KNT BB. So you just get the jumlah barang bil, okay, between tunggakan plus with charge semasa. Tunggakan, what is tunggakan? Tunggakan add with charge semasa, that is 198.26 only. So that you will get jumlah bil. Okay, jumlah bil, or we call it as jumlah bayaran bil. Okay, that's it. Okay, so these are the calculation that you need to use, okay, based on certain formula and certain rates. Okay, then we go to the operation, okay, function or operation. Okay, so there are how many functions here? How many function? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 function that you need to develop. Okay, you need to develop. Okay, the first operation or the first function is you need to what? Save data. You need to save data. Okay, you save mean you can add. It means that you can add or store data permanently or kekal. You add or store data into file. File, I think you have already learned when you took the programming tool in the previous semester. Okay, using file. File, it means that you can what? You can use a text file or you can use binary file. It's up to you. Okay. So what you need to store? All data. All data refer to 1A. What is 1A? This one. Okay, you need to store all this data. Okay, all this data. Okay, this data, okay, will be stored, okay, into text file or binary file after you calculate all this all this information. Okay, display an appropriate message when data has been saved successfully into file. It means that when you have already saved or store when you have already saved or stored data into file, it means that you need to display an appropriate message. It means that you can see that you can display the data has been saved into file successfully. Okay, so the information of jumlah unit pengguna, charge semasa and jumlah bayaran bil must be calculated first, as I said just now. Okay, so then you can save or store or add it into text file. So you can use, okay, you can use array list or linked list, predefined classes. What does it means? Array list and linked list classes that have already developed by Java developer. Okay, we stop here at the moment and then we can continue in the next session. In the next session. Okay.